Google Classroom for our work that we'll be doing online, the very first thing I would do is I would click on classwork, okay? Um, and then I have it all organized based off of folders and stuff. And this is an easy way for me to find it instead of the stream, because stream is just kind of put out of order and it's very chaotic for me. So this may save you some time. And what I would do is I'd click on this screen that says NTI Week 1 materials. That's non-traditional instruction week 1. So all of our online learning is considered non-traditional. And once I click on that, it will show me the assignments that are required for week 1. And what I would do is I would scroll to the bottom where it has day 1. Okay, always start with day 1. That way it's a little more simpler and you won't be totally caught off guard. So what I have under each thing is the instructions. So step 1, you're going to watch the theme and motif Google slide, which is right here. And then you're going to complete on the discussion on Google Classroom how you would apply theme and motif to a movie. It's okay, baby. Sorry. Here, let me kiss. Is that better?
No, on my knee.
It was on your knee. Okay. Okay.
It burns.
It burns. Okay. It's okay. Okay. Anyways, I'm sorry, guys. So what you're going to do is kind of go through these steps. The discussion questions, if you scroll up, you should be able to find it, which is right here. Apply theme and motif to a movie television show. And you'll just answer that question. And then from there, what you're going to do is watch this introductory video on Taming the Shrew. This gives you a summary of what is going on, in the play, so that way you can kind of keep it in mind. And I feel like this is very helpful, especially because we're not in class, for me to help guide you as much. So that way you have an idea of what's going on. And remember, today you're just reading the induction. And this is a frame tell. So with the induction, remember how the Simpsons sit down on the couch and then the actual episode is what they're watching on TV. This is the same thing that happens in this play. You have a little bit of a skit, and then they sit down to watch the play where the actual play takes place. I also included who's who, so you can kind of keep track of who's who, just because, guys, just because all their names end with O, and it's a little confusing. I'm sorry about the chaos right now, guys. Anyways, you'll read the induction, and you'll do that through Spark Notes. No Fear Shakespeare. Please just stick to the modern side. That way you don't get hung up on what the words mean and things like that, because it is an older language and how it's written. So I want you to read the modern version where it's all updated. And then what you're going to do is you're going to answer... You're going to watch one of these or answer one of these 4 or 5 questions. And basically to get to that, you'll just scroll up and you should see. They're not assigned to everyone. I kind of divvied up and kind of counted y'all off. And that's how you got the question of your choice. Not really your choice. And so you should only see one question. On mine, it shows everybody's. But as you can see, it's not assigned to everyone. Okay? Just make sure when you answer the question, you use some evidence from the induction to back up what you're saying. The other thing that I have that I really would like you to do at the top of this stream for Google Classroom is a survey. And what I'd like you to do is go ahead and answer this. This will help me, guys. I really appreciate your patience as I'm learning how to navigate online learning and things like that. And so you have 4 different options. And it may not be based off of consensus. I may be able to do what each person prefers. I'm not really sure at this point. It may be based off of majority, but I really am going to try to accommodate each and every one of you. So if you could just answer this, if you would like to keep the class how I have it posted, that's easier for you, and I post it 1 week at a time. If you want me to post it like how I have, but do it 1 day at a time, you can click that. If you want me to post the content per day on Google Docs, like previous assignments, but post it 1 week at a time. So every day would be on a Google Doc. It would be kind of like the sonnets or WebQuest assignments we've done in the past, where all the steps are on there. And then, of course, similar kind of setup, but it's just posted 1 day at a time. Your feedback would be very helpful. Thank you.